This is the Safety Control Center, a single pane of glass where you can view your active workers and lone workers to ensure they're safe while performing any hazardous work. Users of the platform will have their own username and password to log in, so you can ensure the platform is access controlled. Upon logging in, you will be greeted by this landing page. On the right side of the page, you can view the location of any active workers, as well as toggle between street and satellite view. On the far left side of the page, we have a navigation tab here to help you easily navigate throughout the various aspects of the platform. And finally, in the middle here, we have a variety of textual tile widgets which help provide an overview of what's going on in your site. I'll start by going to the Active Worker Detail page. In the Active Worker Detail page, I can see the category of the device my worker is using, the current battery percentage of that device, as well as their current status, in this case online. I can also again see the live location of the worker, as well as some additional information about that location, such as the fact that it's coming from GPS, as well as the exact latitude and longitude coordinates of that GPS location. There's also a variety of ways to contact this worker. I can choose to make a video call, an audio call, send a video or audio callback request, or even send a text-to-speech message. Anything you input in this box will be audibly read out to that user's phone. Next, I'll navigate to the Events tab. Any events generated by your lone worker will show up here. We have non-critical events, such as this device powered on event, as well as critical events, like this missed check-in event. In this missed check-in critical event, I can again see some more information about the worker, but I can also see if any nearby workers were notified of this event. There's also an incident management plan here that your organization can customize. Finally, I can choose to communicate to the worker from here by clicking on this video or audio call button, or resolve the comment if everything is okay. While resolving the comment, you can also optionally enter in any comments here. Next, I'll navigate to the Lone Worker tab. In the Lone Worker tab, you see a variety of information, such as the check-in mode, the check-in status, connectivity, and more. I can also click on this check-in history to see the past check-in history of this user. We also have a geofence tab here if you want to create any geofences, such as danger zones that you may want your lone worker to stay out of. There's also a media gallery tab, so any photos or videos taken by your lone worker while on the site can be securely uploaded back to this platform. There's a variety of features in Lone Worker, such as the check-in timer, missed check-in alerts, fall down, man down, SOS activated, location tracking, and optional communications packages. Next, I'll open up the mobile application to show you what that looks like. This is the GuardHat mobile application. Any users that have the Lone Worker designation will have this Lone Worker tab available on the bottom right. I'll go ahead and stop this check-in process. To start a check-in, all I have to do is slide this green tab over to the right, and then the device will audibly state that a safety check-in has been activated. And then you can see the timer starts to run down. This timer can be customized depending on whatever your organization wants to define to make sure that the lone worker is safe at periodic intervals. The lone worker can also check in at any point to reset this timer.
Check-in successful.
The device audibly stated the check-in was successful and reset the timer. At any point, if your lone worker wants to stop the check-in process, they can again just move this tab to the left. If your lone worker also has an emergency, they can click on this SOS button to activate an SOS event. It'll give them 10 seconds to cancel the event, otherwise the event will be sent directly to the platform. Any events generated on the Ottman platform can also be sent via email, text, or an automated phone call, so you can be sure you're notified even if you're on the move.